Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error. Safari cannot open the page, or Safari could not open the page because it could not connect to the server, because your phone is not connected to the internet, because the server is not found. If you are facing these errors, then I'll show you how can you fix these errors. Just simply you have to close this page, and firstly you have to make sure that you have entered correct URL. So guys, after entering correct URL, if you're facing this type of errors, then you have to open setting and just simply tap on Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi. Okay guys, just simply you have to make sure that if you have strong enough connection with Wi-Fi. If you don't have, just simply forget the network and try to rejoin it, and if possible try another one, then go back from here and just simply tap on cellular data. And then you have to make sure that you have strong internet connection, and then scroll it down from here, and also make sure that if this tool is turned on in cellular data. And after that, check the problem has been fixed or not. And if also is there guys, then you have to open settings, then you have to locate for Safari. Here it is guys, just simply you have to scroll it down from here, and just simply you have to clear history and website data. And after clearing history and website data, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And the one thing is there guys, just simply you have to open settings, then you have to scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down, tap on date and time, and make sure that your date and time is correct. So after making sure that your date and time is correct, just simply make sure that you have turned the tool on for set automatically, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if I'm saying this there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open setting, then tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset network setting. So here you have to put your passcode. You just simply tap on reset network setting, confirm the process, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the passing is there guys, then you have to open setting, then scroll it on, tap on general, then tap on software update, and make sure that you have updated your device. After updating your device, just simply you have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.